4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Go Falcon, go Starlink.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Hello friends, SpaceX Starlink 11 and 10. SpaceX Falcon 9 on Monday, 10th February 2025 launched 23 Starlink satellites to low Earth orbit from Space Launch Complex 4 East at Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. Liftoff was targeted for 6:09 p.m. PT. This was the 23rd flight for the first stage booster supporting this mission, which previously launched NROL-153, NROL-87, NROL-85, SARAH-1, SWOT, Transporter 8, Transporter 9, NROL-146, Bandwagon 2, and 13 Starlink mission. Following the stage separation, the first stage booster landed on the Of Course I Still Love You drone ship, which was stationed in the Pacific Ocean. SpaceX confirmed the deployment of all Starlink satellites. SpaceX Falcon 9 is a reusable two-stage rocket designed and manufactured by SpaceX for the reliable and safe transport of people and payloads into Earth orbit and beyond. Falcon 9 is the world's first orbital class rocket. Reusability allows SpaceX to refly the most expensive part of the rocket, which in turn drive down the cost of space access.
Stage 2 is in terminal guidance.
Landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.